Hello everyone, thank you for attending this video. Today we'll be taking a look at how to visualize the anatomy in SimPlant. The first thing we want to do is to take notice that there are 3 2D screens and 1 3D screen. Now, to understand what we're seeing here in each of these 2D screens, we can start by clicking a button in the 3D plane, toggle reference plane. Now, by clicking this, and we'll be able to rotate this, we can now in real time see what those 3 2D screens represent. So the first one is the axial plane in red. Now you can see that all 3 planes here are color coded, so it makes it easier to see in the 3D what the plane is doing. Now what's also beneficial is that we're seeing that the axial plane is also represented inside the other 2D screens. So as we move the axial plane, we can see that the red line in both of the opposing screens is also moving. Now let's take a look at the 2D panoramic slice, which is right here. Now the panoramic slice is generated when we draw the traditional panoramic curve in the axial slice. So this is what we visualize in the 3D here. By scrolling through the panoramic slice, we're going through the arch from buccal to lingual and from lingual to buccal. And once again, we're able to visualize the yellow line in both 2D screens that shows us the position of the panoramic slice. And finally, we have the cross-sectional slice, which is represented in blue. This plane follows the panoramic curve. Once again, you can see the plane in the 3D screen and the blue lines moving along in the opposing 2D screens. Now, for those of you who are a little bit nostalgic and want to see a pan view, it is possible to do so. All you need to do is click on the icon on the right hand side of the panoramic slice panel and click on View Panoramic X-ray. What that does is basically it squishes all of the 3D information into a 2D slice, and this is basically what we see as a panoramic picture. You can also do the same for the axial slice, view the axial X-ray, and also for the cross-section. Now I've saved the best for last. Once we've placed an implant, let's just assume, let's put it in an edentulous zone. We can visualize the anatomy around the implant by using what we call the Implant Centric image. This can be accessed by clicking on the icon on the top right corner of the cross-sectional panel. Now this is a particularly useful view because it allows you to rotate around the implant in 360 degrees. We're able to visualize the angulation of the implant compared to the roots. We can verify, make sure that the implant is fully in bone, and make sure that we're not hitting any adjacent tooth or implants. We can then go back to the cross-sectional slice by clicking on that same icon. And that's it for this video. Have fun!